How dare you? Me mama was say, "Ko yi ni se no go, so yi ni se no go."
Yeah. Mama ncha wade. Me yin say wo ne mia wani age. Wo ho me say wo hema. Na den na me koye test ba ya wo say ye be ma de me ko ntu. Den na how?
Franka mama nka be nti o me ka tse wo say. Franka wo bad dia eye. Na Franka hwe manim due. Na se bi wo be wo be ma. Me manim due nye. Na o be ma na o be wo no o be te sen. O be sa boa. Eti sa be ma na o de ne ba mempe ko yi.
Nya mi o. Eni mra bia mu se oba anyim be ma se be ma. Na oba se oba wo te. Eni mra bia mu etina moja so. Me no to obi enu se moja no washes no. Ti se dey no how?
Franka, the America just say I'm the man.
You are the man.
And
I'm the lady.
I'm telling you, go and remove it.
The child.
Go and remove it.
I want.
Remove it.
I want about the child.
I'm talking. You are talking.
I said I want.
I said you are.
If like kill me, I want. Yes.
You are prepared to. You are prepared to talk to me.
I'm prepared to talk to you.
Yeah.
Like how? Cause I'm for me.
Me na me catch. Me say ko yin say no.
Me.
Me na me doubt. No.
And I said I want about the child.
Okay, we shall see who's a man here. We shall see.
You are the man, but I too show you I'm the lady here.
You can't do nothing in my life. I'm telling you. I give money to go and remove that.
You give money.
Yes.
We give money.
Yes.
You give money.
Yes. How they talk to me like that?
From today onwards, I will never accept your money. Seriously. Half money. And I can take care of my child.
Okay.
I can take care of him.
Oh, Franka, prepare. Believe yourself. If you don't remove this one in this stomach, I swear you can't enter this room again.
You the man.
I'm the man.
You the crazy.
Frank, if you do mistake, I'm going to make you this one.
No, but when it's
Man, I make a tell you.
No,
Hey, Franka.
Who
you doing? Because I'm
going to a funny me, you move what's me doing? Because someone what's it?
No, Frank,
because me, a man, I said, you couldn't do it for going to go to a
Frank,
we are the meaning to win.
Me so say, me na man, me na me de me so agu. And I'm so going to say, me pay. I know.
This is for. Me, this boy is
for what?
What the make and I want to
go to fight him.
Yes.
You fight the boy.
So you want to fight?
He saw me over the wall. He jumped.
Oh,
yes.
My God.
like a cat over
jump.
the wall.
Like jump. Listen to my wife. I am marrying you in this house. I take you to my wife. You get one yama. And I'm saying a banner one yama. Save you or your body one more. And now your culture and your Bema. Yeah. Beman so oba na nim nya fe se o de imagine look at my face me nim nya kura me nya fe ba pa kura no ko Bema obese wan bi
so what you want
me person wo yin say no go Bema de me pe oba de
Kuntani
you want
remove the son
Kuntani
Franka
like you want me to abort my son
yeah
his problem is say on person me wo Bema cause no what sign
yeah. It's true. If if you give birth like this, like kotre, you know kotre. Yes, big small lizard.
Don't take that kotre and compare me, please. I beg you. I don't like that.
But you want
no, don't say that. Talk my wife say remove this one in the stomach.
I am talking say remove because if you wore this photocopy. Hey, kotre pa.
I still
the truth is just put your legs in my shoe. Put your legs in. Cool. Something don't say uncle. It will be a now.
But Franka, if
you see our reaction,
Franka.
It's why demi about your
no, let me tell you, if you give birth photocopy to this,
it's not good. It's not good. No.
It's a
no.
If you give birth photocopy like this,
no, it's not good.
And doctor say it's Bema.
Yes,
doctor say it's Bema.
Look at
Franka, don't.
Why? Why do so much?
Remove it.
Fast.
Franka, clear it.
I didn't hear say, men are making me so good. And I'm saying clear, so only through him. What's one clear?
I'm carrying it for 9 months.
Franka,
and I can.
I'm coming. I will clear. So I want to know this boy is juju or what medicine?
Me seriously.
Forget medicine or what?
Seriously, me at many so. Cause I just say man who ni ye.
Why?
So when you know ni Ghana.
Why?
It will be never worry me ne bra no fair. So we should brand any how be see bar na. I mean him say no for us no more fair. Say no for us nim koye. So anti na worry anga say worry ma na enye no. Ipa no tie bochi no bia be worry ma.
E kwantinti awade.
Kwantinti worry enye. O figure abrochi be dru Ghana bu na am say Jesus akwale bonni. And say she yentimi we na nyame adom me yefu na menya banso osimi kontu. I want about this one.
Hey Franka, no kre me say oh nim na say if you give Kutre this photocopy birth for there, it's not good.
What he's saying is true.
It's
but
not
me
good.
Too, me too. I want to look at his face and about my son or about my baby. No.
When he was chopping, you said you were looking at
Hey.
And the doctor said,
yeah. I could say, why do you talk?
I'm talking, say, she should remove the thing.
Okay.
Yes. Because we don't want photocopy.
Yeah, okay. You want me to remove it, right?
Yeah.
No, you want me to remove it?
Yeah.
Okay. Can it see Kanani a cano? 1 billion.
Tell my wife, say, if you like that money, I'll take this my house to sell and give the money for him. Don't worry about that way. Hey, I'm okay. If I sleep outside, I'm okay. I give that money to him.
Then, Franka, let me water on it so that it will look like me.
Good. Water on it. Water on it.
What water?
Guguso.
Oh, one Guguso. Hey, Kuntani, are you getting mad? Why are you getting crazy? You come take my wife. You go to my wife.
Hey, Master, I'm ready to do.
Kuntani.
I'm ready.
You want to fight me?
Hey,
Kuntani, you don't know me. I'm too fatter.
I'm ready.
Yes, Kuntani. Kuntani, you are ready. Kuntani.
You want me water it?
Kuntani.
I water it for you. You want me water it for you?
Wow.
What? I water it for you.
No.
Let me discipline it.
You beat me.
Be careful.
Okay,
Be careful.
I surrender.
Be careful.
I surrender all. I surrender all. All to Franka, oh my Savior. I surrender.
Kuntani, my baby.
Hello. Boko.
I'm Kutra's candy. The call say Bema.
Bema in your stomach.
Oh,
Bema in your stomach. Let me go and water. If you like.
Yeah,
I'm going to water.
Mama money Tiffany
Nyansa.
She Kuntani anim. Na she was winning. Just by say wo apa soro.
Yeah, my papa mu da pa.
Apa, say the media na pa no.
Yeah.
Say the be modu kunu.
Yeah.
Kuntani. She na ni he say. Ana no na. Na. So no kura no be ma waje.
Waje.
Wo just by say wo de na dum light woni mo hu. By Samuel woni mo nye hu.
Yeah. Ba me ka sam ya che o. Enya dialogue no be kan, be ma me jai chedi. Ba me dialogue say kono ko yifiri wo.
I wouldn't make any more to be over. I want energy.
Guinness na mo ura dem.
Me, I want to entertain you guys, so seriously. I want to entertain you guys. If you like it or not, I'll give bed.
Hey.
I said if you like it or not, I'll give bed.
I don't like it or not, you remove it.
If you like it or not, I'll give
Franka,
bed.
I will slap you, Franka.
You will slap
Yes, me na me worry with Franka. Me Tonya me.
Ade.
Akuta, je unya ba nkwasa sem unya ba. Jama me.
Me nya ba ade.
Akuta bibi. E wo mu se me na me worry wo. Se bi obema de wo worry oba, wo no da oba so nya oba na de. E da wo so. Me no tie getting to say ekot ni and se bi opa me yema wo. E na nyankopon ado na ehu. E na nyi se aba. Nyi se aba e na wo e na me so oyo oba dia. Ewrade nso obokono timi e de ewo. Bema dia enwo bema because the entire Americans are content many munye fe. Won say woni mudwe fe, obodi nso efe, ofese so efe, we sexy guy. Na esi many munye fe. Yeah, woni munye fe na makọ bema. Woni se be wonya abo na be wo.
Auntie, say no person yɛdɛn.
Me be so yin say nku.
So enti.
Say ore be man na oba na pe.
Ono oba tena na amatwen anyin sɛ ma na wawo no. Nyin sɛ aba no. Onyingu. Wana kyerɛ sa.
Me okay.
Me pa atwen nyɛ sa de no.
Akonta.
Ya busuam kra de nyɛ bi da.
Me I'm the first one me settle sa record.
Yes.
And
I think I just have to just say me jawari fun we na.
And the best one me free akọ.
Me nya ba yan.
Me na me ka to me.
Me hand na ya dai. Ama we siem.
What they say we give me say one number ja akwan free nsema. One number ware ne nsema.
Me ma me kwa mi no abetie de.
And you don't have
Samuma
behind na siem.
Oba betu na mu.
Me madam.
Oh ma obie.
Let's go.
Yan ko.
Some fuck.
Akonta